Hey, it's Troy from Bookseller Academy. So congratulations. Thank you for signing up. I'm going to show you how to connect your account to your Amazon account. So to do that, we're just going to jump into the computer right here. All right, after you sign in, you'll see this screen and it's going to help you out setting up your account. First, you definitely need an Amazon professional seller account. If you don't have a professional seller account, it's not gonna work. It's $39.99 a month. That'll allow you to connect you to the software. So make sure you have that. So back here, we're just gonna complete the profile first. And what this does, it sets up your address. So when you start sending in books, it's already set up for you. So I'm just gonna type in my business name, Luke Skywalker Lane Tattooing. This is an area where you wanna change your password if you want. But once that's set, we'll just save the changes. Obviously, you'll be using your real address here. We'll save changes. Let's go back to your dashboard. Now what you want to do next is connect to your Amazon professional seller account. So you just click here. It's going to bring you to a credentials page. So we made it easy for you. Just hit get your credentials here. It's going to bring you to your Amazon account and it's going to give you an authorized new developer page. It's going to show our developer name, Bookseller Academy, and the developer ID just to make sure that that's us. You just hit next. Please read this through. You understand that you take responsibility. Click the check mark, hit next. You'll have this page, congratulations. So you're gonna need this information right here, which is the seller ID, marketplace ID, and the auth token. Let's go back to Bookseller Academy. For the seller ID, you're gonna go back here, double click, right click and copy. Go back here, seller ID, paste it there. Now you want the marketplace ID. Marketplace ID is right here. Copy that, bring it here. And then finally the auth token. Copy that and paste it here. Save and verify. You should get a success right here where it says congrats. Now you're now connected to your Amazon account. Now you can go back to your dashboard. So on your dashboard, everything is connected at this point. So now the next step you need to do is actually create your condition note.